Welcome to Old Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I'm going to come on and talk to you about this amazing competition by Carla Hall. It's called Favorite Chef. Chefs will be able to show off their best plated presentation for the opportunity to be recognized by world-renowned culinary connoisseur Carla Hall. One chef will win $25,000, a 2-page spread in Taste of Home magazine, and a cooking experience with Carla Hall. I know you know this familiar face. It's Cooking at Pam's Place. She is a self-taught home chef that brings us tips, tricks, and hacks, and she is currently first in the quarterfinals. Yay! If you haven't started voting, please vote. She is in the top 1% of all the chefs in the competition, and go ahead, turn that bell on so you won't miss a notification. If you haven't already subscribed, look at all these beautiful dishes that she has created for us. I already put the link in the description box down below for you to go ahead and cast your vote. Thank you. Remember to vote every day so we can help Chef Pam to win this wonderful competition.